Privacy, please.
Okay, I know.
There's a white truck over there. Are you back up, Franklin?
Yeah, I'm in my car. I'm gonna take this guy to medical, and then I'm gonna process.
What do you mean locked? Looks like an officer dropped this item outside.
An item? Did
Yeah,
you see it?
look at my back.
See
Do you see it?
How did you get a knife? Okay.
Someone dropped. Someone dropped it. Literally.
Wait.
Yeah.
Cash. What do I do with
Yeah.
the clip?
Make a ticket. Support and report.
Alright, bet. Because I don't know if I still send it up because of the
No,
lawyer
send
here
up,
being
send up,
everything.
send up.
Okay, alright.
No, send up, please.
Are you
You're
talking
gonna
about
put your name. Yeah, at prayer, you know?
about that guy outside or?
About that guy, yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, it was intentional vehicular manslaughter, you know? An LEO.
Yeah, actually, if that is the case, he has no right to an attorney.
He genuinely doesn't. He doesn't.
So why are we giving him one?
I don't know. I mean,
Oh, let's
chipping my rights.
let's entertain it. Let's see. Let's entertain it.
Let's
but
give him a say at least, you know. He's new to the city, you know.
But you sure it was intentional? Like
Yeah,
positive.
So he was on the sidewalk.
Mhm.
Dexter was on the sidewalk when this happened. So
Oh.
from his body cam, I mean, I haven't seen his body cam yet. So am I able to see it, Dexter? Oh, what's good, Job?
Hello.
Hello.
Alright, we're ready.
Ready for what? Did you hear?
Yep.
Yeah, you think you're supposed to follow me.
I'm sorry, I didn't want to look
Yeah,
like I was
yeah.
trying to escape or anything.
No, you're good. You're with me. Okay, so I'm not hearing you if you're talking, sir.
I'm not speaking.
Okay. Yes, I spoke to my client. He let me know what's going on. He said that he was going to purchase a car. He was test driving the car. The car had broke down, and then he said that the officer came out of nowhere. He didn't see the officer, so it was a freak accident.
It's not exactly what I said, but
Oh, then what exactly
Sir.
did you say?
Sir, just let me do the talking, sir.
alright.
No, you did say that that's not exactly what you said. What exactly then did you say?
Well, the car didn't break down. There was
Okay,
a car ahead of me that brake checked me, and I swerved onto the path.
okay. So are you telling me that then the attorney is lying?
No, I think our wires just got crossed a little bit.
Oh, okay. Interesting. All right. Well, since we have everyone present, officers, is this something that
Oh, I would definitely like to have a say in this one. Because what we've seen from the ending of the situation is that we saw a vehicle parked off from the sidewalk. So it was on the sidewalk illegally. So he came running outside the vehicle, coming towards the crime scene. He was the prime suspect of causing this vehicular manslaughter of an LEO. He was also caught hot wiring my vehicle as well, trying to
really?
obviously obtain the vehicle. Yep.
Wait,
Oh,
You can do
interesting.
that.
Yep, it was my vehicle, sir, that you try to get into, and obviously you don't have access to that.
Do we have we?
How was I hotwiring it if I don't have access to get into
Alright,
your vehicle?
sir,
So did I get into the
You
vehicle
still
or
are,
not?
sir.
You have to make your mind up
sir,
here.
sir, let,
Also,
Don't-
the car
I've
you
said my
said I
say.
was illegally parked on the,
sir,
sidewalk.
don't talk
What
anymore.
orientation was that car?
Don't
Was
talk
it on its
anymore.
four wheels?
Bring him to court.
Well, it wasn't. It was actually on its roof. So she's already lying.
So you got
Alright.
Where is he?
He's coming with a lawyer.
Okay.
I think they're talking a little bit more
What's his name?
because he didn't mention. His name is Jonna Clean or some shit like that. Hold on. Jonah Kearns.
Jonah Kearns?
Kearns, yeah. Jonah Kearns, yeah.
Kearns.
Johner.
Uh-huh.
Kearns.
Wow.
Yeah.
Alleged charges are vehicular manslaughter.
Yeah.
What else?
Murder of an LEO. Murder of
Murder?
government official. Yeah, murder of government official, yeah.
Like actual murder, not attempted, but actual murder.
Not even attempted, an actual murder, yeah.
Wow. Okay.
He had to be a poor officer, he had to be,
I see.
fully medically
Uh-huh.
do a surgery, you know what I mean? For that incident.
So he was saved after all.
After the medical procedure, yeah.
Did he lose life, limb, for any amount of time?
I'm not too sure. I mean, Dexter, how are
Okay.
you feeling? We didn't even have time to even talk to our poor officer, you know?
Feeling pretty banged up, bruh. Just came out of nowhere, just hit me.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Would you say this was a murder or an attempted?
This was a murder. I went flying.
Interesting. Okay. Anyone has body cam footage?
Yeah, I have. I'm
yes.
making a prayer right now.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it's already made. I'm just waiting for a response.
Okay. Could I get a copy of that?
Yeah, sure. I can drop a dot in Gen chat.
Okay.
Trying to send it over to our PD chat as well if you can. Make a
Yeah.
ticket if you
Alright,
can.
bet.
Then chat looking for a dot. And Marbear?
Yeah, that's me.
Okay. There you go. Because if this is all correct, he can be sent off max. And
Yep.
then while he's sent away, the heavens can deal with him. I see it. Okay.
I sent both variations of the clip, and I have
Alright.
a screenshot as well.
That's all right. This should do.
Oh, Lee.
You have to squint a little bit, because what's it called? Cash is walking away, but you get still visible.
Wait a minute. Wow. Now,
Yeah, you see how fast he was going, man?
so yeah, so he's going straight down, and all of the sudden, he turns directly towards PD. There is no way in hell that is.
Dexter, can I see this too, please? I need that. I need
That
that
is
amusement.
that is
No, I'm
not
sorry, but I need
accidental.
to see this.
They need to hurry up and come up here.
I sent it in I sent it in the PD clip channel.
Okay.
Go get them. That's enough time. That's enough talking. Where are they? If I have to go get them,
Yeah, bro, that was fully intentional.
can we
Over here
can we
talking to
get
my
them?
friend.
Can we get them up here?
Wait, so
Yeah,
wait.
of course. Look, I can get that wine pony cocky asses upstairs. Hold on.
Like, what are they talking about? Like, what is there to talk about? They've had plenty of time. I mean, like, he was coming straight down, and the instant he sees you at the corner of his eye, he turns towards. That's
Yeah, he just swerved out of nowhere. That was so mean.
Alright, we're here.
ladies and gentlemen. State of Neon versus Jonah Kerr. On 2 counts. 1 count, vehicular manslaughter. 2, murder.
I'm sorry, can you say that count again, Judge?
Count 1, vehicular manslaughter. Count 2, murder.
Vehicle manslaughter and murder. Okay then.
Yep.
Can I ask a question real quick?
No, sir, we just went through this. I'm doing all the talking, okay?
I just don't understand how it's murder if the guy I'm supposedly murdered is standing right in front of me.
Sir,
Speak out of turn again and you'll be found in contempt.
sir, you do not want to be in contempt, okay? So just let me do my job, okay?
If the defendant wishes to address the court, he may in due time.
Okay.
Everyone has the right to be heard. Everyone has the right to be understood. That shall come. Law enforcement, Would you verify and confirm the two alleged crimes?
Okay, I can confirm that one is vehicular manslaughter across an LEO. The other would be murder of a government official.
Okay. How do you justify within rationale the murder?
Right. So we can obviously tell from our perspective of this body cam from Mr. Dexter Morgan that this investigation happens from a sidewalk, right? We expect our citizens of Neon to be driving on the road and not on the sidewalk clearly. But from what we've occurred from this body cam footage, that we have the suspect driving directly towards a police officer with the intention of struck. They struck upon him
Yep.
and caused him flying over Legion Square and deeply incapacitating himself.
Now, to this recollection of events, defense, how could you possibly explain otherwise?
Okay. So he had to be fully admitted to have medical done with 2 of our EMSs. They were able to come onto scene and directly help Dexter Morgan out on the sidewalk. They were able to put him on a stretcher, perform necessary surgeries and whatnot. I wasn't able to kind of see everything from my perspective from that as I was talking to the suspect on arrest. But from that situation, I feel as if Dexter may need time from work because of this, because of these injuries occurred.
Okay. Defense counsel, have you any rebuttals? It's now it's your. What are you? Okay, I'm gonna.
My bad. It was some coffee.
Okay. Green coffee. How do you answer to these 2 allegations?
All right, so for the murder, we're gonna say not guilty on the murder. The way it was explained was that
To be
they
attempted.
weren't they weren't seen when my client was in the vehicle. So
Excuse me?
we're gonna-
Well, say that again. I want to make sure I follow.
yeah, so my client was
Mhm.
in the vehicle.
Okay.
He did not see
He-
the police officer.
He didn't see the police officer, right?
Yeah, he didn't see the police officer.
Okay. So innocent to murder is what you're claiming.
Innocent.
Okay.
Innocent to murder.
Okay. What about manslaughter?
Manslaughter. We can go ahead and keep the manslaughter.
Okay. I want to hear
But
your
he's a
rationale.
police officer, sir.
I want to hear your rationale. Why you are taking up a guilt plea on manslaughter but not murder?
Well, we're gonna take the plea for the manslaughter because he was in the vehicle,
Mm-hmm.
so he was driving the vehicle. As far as him not seeing what was in front of him, then he just has to pay more attention to what he's doing in the vehicle. So it was a freak accident. What we are gonna do, since it was a cop that had died, we're gonna go ahead and give him a fine, and we're gonna give him a couple months in jail for it.
Okay. Well,
That's
how we do this procedure?
that
We're
you're.
not.
I'm confused. You're you're making a recommendation when it is not up for the defense to make such recommendations. You can request the court to deviate from sentencing guidelines. You can't recommend a sentence.
Yeah, we're gonna request that.
So you're asking the court to deviate away from the usual sentencing guidelines.
That's correct.
Why?
Like I said, because my client was going for a test drive. It was not at all trying
Mhm.
to murder anybody.
Okay.
You know, like he didn't wake up in the city and decide that he's gonna get into a car and just run
Okay.
somebody over. So we
Oh,
Can I just add on to that real quick?
you may.
yeah,
You may.
of course.
Do you understand why your suspect is driving recklessly on the road? And honestly, he didn't even stick on the road. He ended up merging onto the sidewalk.
So he merged onto the sidewalk.
He was on the sidewalk, yeah, and he killed the officer on the sidewalk, not on the road.
Here is what I have recollected. If this was particular to a non-intentional byproduct, I can understand leaving manslaughter and dropping murder. However, the court would be inclined to that decision solely if there was no evidence of neglect or the commission of violations of traffic laws. If he was just driving down the road and the officer jumped in front of him, or the vehicle malfunctioned, or road conditions rendered his vehicle uncontrollable, right? Unable to be controlled momentarily, I would be inclined to somewhat deviate from the sentencing guidelines. However, because the element of gross neglect is present, meaning that he willfully decided to drive on a sidewalk where pedestrians can easily ambulate upon, that component alone of gross neglect favors the murder sentence. So, it is the decision of this court, after examining all evidence submitted, offers the following rationale.
When you say all evidence, did you get the footage of the officer tasing my client coming out of the car?
Tasing? There is no tasing.
I'd
You got
explain these
put in
marks all
cuffs.
over my back.
So okay. Is there any evidence on your end that you'd like to submit?
Sir, you said you have marks on your back?
Yeah, from where the pins of the taser went in.
Okay.
And is there evidence that an actual taser was deployed upon you?
Can we have the handcuffs removed so we can see these marks?
No.
For security reasons, no.
I haven't been instructed anyway.
Is there any evidence, reproducible evidence, that a member of the Los Santos Police Department tased you?
Yeah, my client said he was tased.
Again, is there any evidence that can reproduce that encounter?
Yeah, the marks on my back.
That is not how you reproduce evidence. Those marks on your back
Yeah,
would
the
have
mark-
been.
the two marks and the
do
pins
you
on my
have-
back
That,
versus.
that doesn't
the
prove
pins
that it
on
was
the
done
taser.
by PD.
So do we have like a
Well, do
video
any-
of
Who has access to tasers in the city? I would imagine it's only PD.
Well, throughout the entire situation, there was no taser deployed at all. No one tased him.
This court is moving for sentencing. State of Neon versus Jonah Kerr.
When do I get my say? Remember you said I could say something.
Would you like to?
If you don't mind, please.
Does your attorney allow it?
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead. Let's see what you have to say.
I fully admit to hitting the officer, and I'm very sorry to Dexter for any harm caused following PTSD, etc. But it was not my intention to hit him. I swerved onto the footpath because the car was brake checking in front. Had I swerved left, I would have went onto oncoming traffic.
I'm sorry.
Caused
Did you?
multiple issues.
I'm sorry. Did you say that a vehicle in front of you?
That's right, yeah.
A vehicle in front of you did what again?
They slammed on the brakes. It's called brake
Slammed.
checking.
Oh, I see. So the vehicle that was in front of you slammed on the brakes, forcing you to deviate from your main course.
Exactly, I didn't want to
Oh,
cause a
okay.
big car crash.
I see. Okay. And this vehicle that was driving in front of you, which direction was he driving towards?
Which direction?
Yes.
I'd need a map. But say going towards Legion Square from PD.
Okay.
What would that be?
Okay.
East?
I hereby find you in direct criminal contempt for lying to the court. There is no vehicle witness to driving in front of you. The sentencing
Where
is
there,
the
yeah.
sentencing
Yeah, we
is
couldn't.
the sentence. I find you in direct criminal contempt a second time.
Were you there, were you?
Sir,
Max fine and max time. Execute the sentence right away. He is to be
Yeah,
remanded.
mouse movement,
He
you
is
say now.
to be remanded to the custody of the Department of Corrections to serve a full sentence.
Oh,
Okay.
how long?
Be 100 months and 100K.
Maybe next time you will think
Alright, so-
twice before you try to
Because you have also
commit murder.
wasted a lawyer's time and a judge's time for something that you should have rightfully admitted from the first
That
place, you know?
judge loves the sound of his own voice. He's only happy to be here.
Take him away.
No. Alright, so you take care. Let me Oh,
Now you can send that up, and now that leads to a permanent vacation.
Wow.
wow.
Yes.
What a nice scenario. Well, let's wrap it up here, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Did he just
For everybody's time.
Yeah, permanent vacation to the Bahamas. Enjoy.
The Bahamas, the Bahama Mamas.
wow?
Wow. Well, thank you guys. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry for that, man.
No, I don't even because
Wow.
he told me about the brake check thing, but it kind of sounded funny to me, so I didn't bring it up.
It's a lie. It's a lie. There's no vehicle driving in front of
We
you.
saw the fucking body cam, bro. That guy, like, intentionally fucking.
It was intentional. No doubt. Oh,
Holy shit.
go
shit.
get him. Go
Alright,
get
guys. You take him.
All right.
We'll
go, Cash.
situate that to the permanent Bahamas.
All right. Likewise. Did you receive payment for any of those two cases?